have this set at a 2-minute loop. Audio should be on, so go ahead and observe the scenery and we'll make a determination if it sounds and looks good. Let's listen. I don't know if that's gonna sound good. Sounds good in real life though. My last upload was about being a blue-collar Corvette owner. Picked up a few new subscribers from that video. Welcome to my channel. If you're a regular on my channel, for the last couple of years you haven't seen many videos about this car. I'm going to start making videos about it again, starting with cheap tech. I know a lot of you are subscribed for my cheap tech. Got a $20 dash cam right here. Since I'm driving this car again, it needs a dash cam. Drive On. I think On is a upstart company. Let's go ahead and try it out. Alright, I'm all set up. One thing I do like about this already is that it's quick release, so that when I'm not driving my car, I could take this off real easy without taking off the mount every time. For $20, I'm not expecting good picture or sound quality, just usable dash cam footage. Let's find out right now. I started this review sharing the picture and sound quality of this dash cam. As expected, the picture isn't very good. The sound is even worse, but it's a $20 dash cam and it does include a memory card. You're not using it as an action cam, but it's good enough to capture if something happens, which is the point of a dash cam. What I like about this dash cam, I have several cheap dash cams in my other vehicles. What I like about this one is that it has a orange button right here, so if something does happen, you just press this. See that key right there? That locks the file. So if something happens and you need the file for later for evidence, there's that orange button to lock it real quick. Other cheap dash cams that I've used before, you have to cycle through the menu. It's very cumbersome, but this one's very easy. So I like the quick disconnect and I like the easy access to locking a file. That's what I really like about this dash cam. When I get off of work, I'll go ahead and do a night shot of this camera. I'm pretty sure it's going to be even worse than a daytime shot. But like I said, it's a $20 dash cam and it's on par with the other cheap dash cams I've used. I'm about to get some nighttime footage right now. I'm pretty sure the video quality will be even worse than daytime, obviously. But I'll go ahead and get footage anyway. So here you go. Here's the menu right here. Where is it? Right there. So there it is. So here's something I filmed earlier. I'll share that with you guys later. But let's say you do need this camera in court for insurance reasons. There you go. You could play your video right off of the dash cam. The battery life isn't very good though. Fully charged, I got like 5 minutes out of this, so it does need to be plugged into a cigarette lighter if you're out for a drive. Okay, you can get some nighttime footage right now. Here's what freeway night footage looks like, and as expected, it looks a lot worse than daytime footage. So it's in daytime mode right now. I'll go ahead and press night vision mode. Let's see if it makes any change. So I'm gonna press the button now. Honestly, I don't see a difference with night vision mode. I'm gonna slow down, let this car pass me. So let's see what a car passing me looks like at night. I'm going 60 right now. Okay, this guy doesn't want to pass me. Come on, pass me. There's a street sign coming up. Let's see if you can see the street sign. There it is. And the guy behind me is going even slower. I'm going like 60 right now, wanting him to pass me. Let me slow down even more. I'm going 55 now. Okay. There's a car passing me right now. That's what a car at night looks like with this camera. It's pretty bad. Alright, there you go. There's some nighttime footage for you guys of this camera.